Hello Dion, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. Once again, I'm presenting a personal video for you for this 2015 Honda CBR300, the one you just purchased, and you will request a video. I show you the bike is very clean, everything is fully safety certified, and we got the receipt, the $500 down payment for you for that. It comes with a thumb protector and a special color from Honda. This motorcycle is a special edition because of the color. It's black, matte black with a kind of light green. As I said, it's ready to go. Waiting for you to finalize paperwork. And any question, just call me or email me. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 29. And I'm very happy to assist you. Thank you.